Hi everybody, Bill here. Hey, are you having problems with the synchronization of your quick attach paddles? I think I can show you how we corrected this on this video. Please join me right now on Today in Iowa. Well, hi everybody, Bill again. Hey, this is going to be a brief video and right to the point. Mark from Lafayette, Indiana and I got together, created this video in hopes that it can clear up some confusion and show you how to fix this. So what we're trying to show here is how the paddles get out of sync sometimes. There, see how the one is ahead of the other, and then when you return it, one arrives back before the other. And that is very frustrating when it comes to hooking up your loader or your forks. And I saw in some Facebook groups that I'm in, there seems to be a common misconception that this is normal. And what I'm going to show you today is how this can be fixed. And what I'm trying to show here is, it's not the best, but I'm trying to show you how difficult it is to hook up the bucket in this case when it's out of sync. Now this is the 1025. We're also going to look at the 2038. I've owned both, and it happened on both. Here's the 2038 with the repair that I'm going to describe here in a minute in place. Notice how the synchronization is good. They do not get out of sync forwards and backwards, and they stay in sync, and they make hooking up that loader bucket and forks very easy. Alright, so let's get into the solution. Take a look at this bar. It goes between the paddles right there. Now we're going to come back here and I'm going to show you the original hardware that comes with that. It's a pin and a cotter pin. Let's go over to the 2038 now and take a look at that. Look at the nuts and bolts there that are put in to take out some slop that was in place and allowing those paddles to get out of sync. See, there's the nut and bolt that was installed. Now Mark and I both went to our dealers and they made reference at the dealership to a technical bulletin regarding the 180 loader. The instructions there was remove that pin and that cotter pin, find out how much slop is in there, and put in a new nut and bolt that's shown right here. Now in Mark's case, they put in a 7/16 nut and bolt, and that took that slop out and keeps that rod secure. Once that was done, both our machines, the 1025 and the 2038, have not had that out of sync problem. You may be comfortable doing that on your own, but it was covered under warranty, and after it was done, you can see they're operating in sync, and boy, it just made disconnecting and connecting implements or front end attachments a whole lot easier. Have a great month, everybody. We'll talk to you real soon. So long.